Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the One Piece Pirate Warriors 4 game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the difficulty settings within your gameplay. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the One Piece Pirate Warriors 4 game on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, you can start battling in various different modes right away. Now, if at any point you wish to change your difficulty settings, then you won't be able to do it mid-game or mid-match. If you press the escape or the start button to pause your game and navigate to the other menus by using your bumper or your L1 or R1 button, as well as the Q or E button from your keyboard, you will see the options page. If you go into options, you will see that the difficulty option has been locked. So in order to change this setting, you will need to end your current match. After ending your current match, you will end up within the main menu once again. Now from the main menu, go into the system settings and then go into options. After choosing either player 1 or player 2, you can change the difficulty settings right away. You have 3 different difficulty settings ranging from easy, normal and hard. While the normal mode is selected by default, if you want a little more challenge, then you can switch to hard mode. And if you want to beat the game easier, then you can choose the easy mode as well. After choosing your desired difficulty setting, navigate to finish setup and press OK. And now your difficulty setting has been applied to your game right away. You can now go into the various different play modes and start enjoying with your chosen difficulty setting. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the difficulty settings on the One Piece Pirate Warriors 4 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.